This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life.
Hello everybody, it's Paul Deese with the Raw Life Health Show, and I know a lot of people aren't watching my videos lately by the statistics on my channel and everything else, but those of you that are watching, I know you're getting a big benefit out of it, and this isn't about me or you, it's about the results, and I'm glad you're watching still, those of you who are. There's so many questions that come up. It's not just as simple as eating a good diet and healthy food and thinking everything's going to be okay. And how do we deal with those other situations when they come up? For example, supplementation. There for years I went without supplements saying, oh, we don't need them. And then I realized I needed them. And now I don't do them as much. But why do I change and why do we change? Because we learn new information the more we look for information and speak to people. And we don't want to believe everyone we hear, but definitely, as I said in a couple of videos ago, we want to follow what's working and who's doing what. And I just know that there's a right program for each of us, but we just got to do what we got to do. It's already now a little after 2 o'clock. I just got out of the gym. It's on a Sunday. I did a great workout. I'm going to go home and actually do some painting, do a lot of activity. And to do this, you know, people would think I ate a lot or I had a lot of calories already today, or just in general I eat a lot of calories to have all this energy. And I'm going to exercise some more at home too. I'm going to jump some rope. I'm going to do some rebounding. And where's all this energy coming from? People say we get energy from calories. We get energy from food. And I will submit to you, I got a full night's sleep last night. And that's what's going to make us feel amazing, is a full night's sleep. You don't need caffeine or energy drinks and coffee and all this stuff. No, a full night's sleep is what's going to help you recuperate and feel amazing. What did I eat today? Well, it is now almost a little after 2 o'clock and I had nothing. That's right, nothing. I didn't eat anything today. And I do plan on having a green vegetable juice, maybe a smoothie, and maybe a salad after I do my painting and everything else. But I feel amazing. I don't even need to eat today. Maybe I won't. Oh, actually, I did have some today. I did have a couple of pieces of a jackfruit that I just tasted a little while ago before I went to the gym. 2 or 3 pieces of jackfruit is all I had today. And even without that, I'd still have this much energy. You see, more than food giving us energy, it's not eating the foods that are going to take our energy away. That is the key. Health doesn't begin with what you add to your diet. It begins with what you leave out. Leave out the things that are creating a problem and you won't have a problem. And if you have a problem, it won't contribute to it. But even more so, the things that are stealing your energy. If you leave those out, guess what? You're going to have energy. Two of the major reasons, besides healing from disease, that people eat or seek to eat healthier is to gain energy and lose weight. Well, if you're eating the right way, you're not going to put on the weight. And if you're eating the right way, you're going to have a tremendous amount of energy. Naturally, without having taken stimulants. And that's how I feel. I feel so amazing. And you guys can feel that way as well. I mean, I'm only for time am I riding in my car right now, or driving my car right now. I could easily take my bicycle to the gym, all around town, and do the things I got to do. But for the sake of time, I'm doing my car so I can get home and get some other stuff done. But, you know, I've been boosting it up. I've been running on a treadmill at the gym now, just not necessarily trying to do more. But I remember when somebody told me, and a lot of people ask me what age I am. Somebody told me, a health teacher, they said to me, by the time they're 50, they want to be able to reach a certain goal or do certain things and so on. And my age now is 48 years old. By the time I'm 50, I mean, technically I'm just trying not to get injured, right? But what I could do now at 48 is more than I could do 20 years ago or 10 years ago. And not just for me. I mean, for most people, I mean, you show me another 48-year-old that isn't on stimulants or steroids or something else that has as much energy as I have. It's really a blessing to feed the body the food it needs. And I'm excited. I got a great juicer I invested in. I have collards in my yard that I'm going to get. And look, I'm driving on the street here. There's some young people smoking cigarettes. They still don't get it. They don't get it. They don't learn. And people don't get it. health isn't about building your body. It's about not destroying your body. That's where it begins. And then building your body. I mean, I love keeping my muscles in shape and staying fit. I love when I see old people that are fit. Like when I go to the gym and I see somebody really old in their 70s or 80s, that motivates me. And just, you don't have to act old if you're old. You could act young and be wise. And so you could do it, folks. And but really, keep doing the things, or keep seeking, and change if you have to make changes. Do what works for you. Speak to people that are doing it. Speak to people that have the results you want. You can see a whole bunch of more videos. You can see recipes and a whole bunch of things on my member website, rawlifehealthshow.com. And check that out for 3 days. You can check it out for $1. See if you want to be a member. We have a live Q&A. We can't answer all the questions everywhere, but if you're on a member of the Raw Life Health Show, we can answer your questions every day. I got a whole bunch of... Look, folks, people don't realize how much work it is to take care of a garden. And I'm not talking about a little garden. I'm talking about a garden, and I got over 90 fruit trees. And it takes a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I don't have a crew doing it, folks. It's me. And it's my diet, and that's what it is. And I'm gonna show you guys another little tour of my garden coming up in another video. But you could do this, folks. You could do this. So, and it doesn't matter what you've done this morning or yesterday. If you've done something that's not well, keep that in the past and move forward. All right. Raw vegan, way to go. All right. And put your comments and questions below the video. You can do this. And I want to motivate you to do this. Motivate. As for specific questions, you know, we get the B12, we get the protein. Those are the two main ones. Where do you get protein from? What about vitamin B12? All these are just asked over and over again, and we answer them. But basically, you take a little B12 supplement, basically, you know, all the protein you need. You know, look at a gorilla or elephant, or they're big and strong. They're not eating animals. So you can get your protein. I just got back from the gym, and I am telling you, you can grow muscles eating this way. It works. All right, put those comments, questions below the video. Thank you very much. Until then, everybody, not only does raw food make you think fast and act fast, but it makes you speak fast. No, that's my New York in me. Have a great day, everybody, and a great raw life.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, bright